In this video tutorial, we'll be covering how to make a payment to your my.boisestate account. Concurrent enrollment students may need to make a payment if they are ineligible, have run out of state funding, or have a class fee not covered by state funding. Let's begin by navigating to my.boisestate.edu. On the main page, you will enter in your login information. If you've forgotten your password, you can click the Reset/Create Password link in the bottom left-hand corner. If you need help remembering your username to reset your password, please email ceadvising@boisestate.edu with your full name and birth date, and we'll provide you with that information. Upon logging in, select Student Center. Next, click the Make a Payment button on the Student Financials tile. The Payment Center will open in a new tab or window. Please note, if nothing happens when you click Make a Payment, please check your browser settings and disable your pop-up blocker. Once the window opens, you will see an account overview on the Payment Processor page. Click Make a Payment on the left or on the bottom of the page. Advanced Opportunity Funding will pay $75 per line item titled Dual Enrollment Fee or Sophomore Start Fee. These funds will be posted to your account once we receive the funding from the state of Idaho, typically a few weeks after the end of the semester. If you have an approved Advanced Opportunities request, you do not need to submit a payment for these line items. Advanced Opportunities funding does not cover any course fees such as online, English test, lab fees, or e-textbooks. All students, regardless of Advanced Opportunities status, will need to pay for these items out of pocket. To pay for these fees, select the Pay by Detail selection on the payment page. This will allow you to only pay for the items that you need to, rather than the entire term. Next, select the checkmark box next to each line item you need to pay for and enter the total amount. Once you have the appropriate line item boxes checked, click the Checkout button. Select the payment method for the options listed, either credit or debit card, bank account, 529 savings plan, or an international payment. Enter the appropriate information, then click Continue. Next, you will be asked to review and agree to the service charge. All credit and debit card transactions are charged a non-refundable 2.75% service charge. Electronic check payments are charged a 50-cent service charge. Finally, review your payment information and click Pay to complete the transaction. You may print the confirmation page for your records. You will also receive a receipt via email to your Boise State email address. This concludes the tutorial for how to make a payment. Please visit our channel for additional how-to tutorials. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please contact ceadvising@boisestate.edu.